Hey buddy, Terminal 2? Yeah, that's me, yeah. Yes please, yeah, Terminal 2. Thank you. Nice morning. Very nice morning. Right then, welcome back to another video. Welcome to Oslo in Norway, the capital city of Norway. It is the 16th of May at 20:35 in the evening. We're staying in the Holmenkollen Park Hotel. It's the first time I've actually been able to say that. Yes, I got it right without looking at the wall. The curtains are shut behind me, but it's a lovely day out there. The reason the curtains are shut is there's like a massive apartment block. Oh, voice crack, that was dreadful. We're going to keep it in. There's a massive apartment block just the other side of this window with about 20 bedrooms, just, you know, checking out my hotel room, which is kind of a bit weird. So I've decided to shut those. Tomorrow is National Day here in Norway. Everyone's gonna have the day off work. Oslo's gonna be absolutely buzzing. I'm excited to be here. We've got 24 hours, so we're gonna make the most of it, get out there, and hopefully make a video that you guys are gonna really enjoy and understand a little bit about what National Day is in Norway. I'm excited, it's my first time here. Check this view out. So I've come for a little walk in the woods, it looks like, behind the hotel. Trying to get a vantage point for the sunset, a better one than at the front of the hotel. It is pretty incredible down there, but it's also really windy. So didn't manage to find one. There is the ski slope up there though, so hopefully tomorrow I get a chance to go there in the morning. But I think I'm gonna go back down the hill, which I'm wearing Vans, which is really not the shoes to be doing this, 'cause it's kind of steep and very, very slippy. It's like those stones that just give way under your feet. So I'm currently like looking like a weirdo. It's all good. It's great. No one's watching me apart from you lot. So Norway and Oslo has been near the top of my list of places to go now for quite a while. There's definitely more opportunities to come to more of these Scandinavian countries, and I want to get up to the north as well, be it in the summer or the winter. But this is starting to look really, really beautiful now as the sun goes down. I'm absolutely knackered. I didn't get to sleep last night until about 2:30, 3 o'clock. And that isn't because I went out partying, it's because the bus dropped me at the bottom of the hill, and this hotel is right at the top of the hill, and it was a 35-minute walk from where I got out of the bus to getting up here. When I got up here, I had a load of stuff to finish at work-wise, and then I went to bed. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go for breakfast, but in Norway on National Day, breakfast is a little bit more special than an average day's breakfast. Most people start off with their family and friends, drinking champagne, eating nice food. I'm gonna be on my own in my hotel room. But it's okay. Whew. Breakfast was very, very good. I rate it highly. Wow. Genuinely one of the nicest views from a hotel I think I've ever seen. I think the only thing I can compare this to is Lake Louise in Alberta, where you look out over the lake. Here's the boys.
What's up? Gratulerer på dagen.
What's up, mate? What's up, brother? How are you? Nice, good job. How you doing, buddy? Hi, mate. Good to see you again. How was last night? Real Norwegian now. Pardon?
Gratulera
Gratulera
på dagen.
Gratulera på dagen.
That was just smart, Alex.
Battery won't last forever, just letting you know.
We can just cut it. No rush.
Yeah.
Isn't this like energy drink?
Oh, that's a sick shot. Oh, dude, no better way to start breakfast.
Whoa, we're so healthy.
My eyes crazy on the couch. So I come home and I'm like, dude, do you want like a meal?
It's literally going nowhere.
Oh yeah.
Come on, man, you can finish it.
And 13 minutes later.
Yeah.
I like this out.
Happy birthday, us, Norway. Happy birthday, Norway.
National Day.
National Day.
Constitution Day.
Constitution Day, that's the word.
It's very busy.
It's very busy, it's a lot of people, but we enjoy it a lot.
So we're basically trying to get to like a rooftop bar. I'm only here for like another 5 hours, so I'm just going to continue the party as much as I can. Everybody is dressed absolutely wonderfully. Apart from me, I'm just here walking through with my t-shirt and my jumper. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate that. This man wearing a suit, far more smart than me, has just said I'm beautiful as well. Fills me with a lot of confidence. I rate that. I really do. A few glasses of wine. Things are going well.
Now we're going to the highest building.
Apparently, we are at the wrong time, so we can't go there at all. This is such a gorgeous day in Oslo. This is mad. So many people over here. Look at this. Wow. Alright, so I come all the way to Oslo, but as Jesse and I did in Dublin, we skål to an Irish Guinness.
You can bring the glasses.
Where are we going?
We're bringing a beer.
We're moving.
Take this shit.
Alright, hang on.
I'm the Thomas.
We're leaving that way.
Tack.
Vi är i Norge. Systembolaget. Hallå.
Systembolaget.
Okay, so I'm not from Norway, so just to give you a bit of context, like Americans, we're oblivious to the rest of the world. Like, what's the deal?
It's a celebration of we're done with high school, so it's a celebration. It's a national celebration for all people that are going out of high school.
So I have some friends from Oslo, and they say Rusbus. Rusbus. You guys had the Rusbus?
No, it's not that normal actually, but those people are the most hardcore partiers.
Alright guys, I'm in Stockholm City Airport. I've landed back after 24 hours in Norway. It has been an incredible 24 hours. I've really enjoyed Norway's National Day. I'm a little bit tipsy right now actually, so I'm going to sign off the vlog here. The platform to get back to Stockholm city centre is completely dead, which is wonderful, and my trousers are also falling down, which is also wonderful because no one's behind me. I'll catch up with you guys very soon. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.